All right. Okay, great. All right, we have 30 more people, 33 plus people in this room. And this is Monday. Today is 2018, March 26th. And this is Jack. Very happy to have this sharing session with you guys in terms of our future in the Forex markets. All right. So every Monday, let's do some homework. All right. So we go to investing.com and we check the economic calendar and we check this week. Okay. This is every Monday's routine. All right. You all have to do it. Okay. So we know that what's going to happen this week. All right. So today, not much news. French GDP. Tomorrow we have this Tuesday. Okay, goes into this three star data. Okay, like the CV consumer confidence. Okay, and also have this API for the oil. Wednesday, USD. The USA's GDP. That is key data. And also the crude oil inventories, EIA report. Okay, so Wednesday, two things. The key building consensus, not so important. Thursday, we have German unemployment change rate. Okay, this is important for the euro and also the GDP. So this is for sterling. The Thursday, big events for sterling. And also big events for Canada, GDP as well. And then we have this Friday is the PC, I think it's the PCE CFTC. Oh, okay, this is not. Friday, what else? Nah, CFTC GBP speculative, no, not so important. Okay, the China manufacturing PMI, all right? So that's all for this week. So basically it's the USA GDP, the UK GBP and the Canada GBP, these three events, and also the consumer confidence, all right? So I think we have some impacts for the euro dollar and DXY. All right, first of all, let's look at the DXY. DXY having some problems, okay, because Trump has announced that the trading war against China, right? So that's give people a lot of scare, right? So this is actually a trend continuation patterns. We have a down wave. This is wave A, and we have another wave of wave B. Okay, so by one glimpse of this chart, you will know what I'm going to telling you. Okay, so it's important to identify these ABCD moves, right? It's very important, very useful, and very helpful. Okay. So previously, we don't know that whether the dollar index is going to break the 89.4 or not. However, in last Friday, it has tested this place, but this morning, all right, in Asia time, the DXY breaks down, and looks like this ABCD pattern is going to complete, where the completing point is actually here, about 88.92. 88.92, right? And it looks like there's also guarded patterns here. So keep this in mind, that DXY, although it is falling, but it is likely to have this guarded pattern reversal, okay, for the dollar, right? So the ABCD point, together with 0.76 Fibonacci level, and also the 1.272 extension, okay, you know that, yes, we have to watch this area, okay, for our price action detection see that whether there's any buyers comes in to buy dollar. If not, the DXY may just continue going down and eventually test the X point. If the X point is broken, then that makes a very, very bearish signal for the DXY. Because look at the weekly chart. Okay, here it is a very important supporting area, 88.44, because that is a previous neckline here, right? We have to identify this neckline here. Okay, it's a beautiful double bottom neckline, right? The lowest point is, guys, if you are joined by mobiles, okay, remember to turn off your camera, right? Yeah. Otherwise, the other people will see your face, right? Okay, so this is important support for DXY, and this support has been successful for the last 1 month. Okay, for the last 3 months. Okay, since January. Okay, 1 test, 2 test, 3 test, but didn't break, and this time is another kind of a test to test this important supporting structure. If this is valid, which means lower low created, and this just telling you the DXY is going down, right? Continue going down, still in a bearish wave, right? So just keep this in mind that DXY is facing a critical area, right? But we want to be careful to chase the price. Don't short at low. Okay? If you want to short, I will suggest you to wait for here at least 89.41, because there is definitely some resistance area or selling force here. If price pulls back to here, then you start to short. It will be better. Okay. So since DXY is going down, but be careful. Today's Monday, right? So the Monday, I mean, the market moves so excited, right? The Monday has a very, very strong move for the DXY since the morning. Okay, since the morning is here. Look at it here. The DXY gaps down, right? Gaps down. And then from 89.70 to 89.13, the whole Asia session and Euro session, the DXY is falling, right? So be careful that there may be some, fast pulling back signals, right? So let's look at the gold first. Okay, the gold, right? The gold breaks up. Okay, breaks 1350, right? It makes higher high, and looks like the gold is going to, complete this big ABCD patterns in the 1 hour chart. It's here. This is AB wave, and this is CD wave. Right? It just completes. Right? Just hit. Perfect. Okay, 1354. So what is this telling us, guys? Can you guess? What is this telling you? This ABCD patterns completed. So if you are a harmonic wave, if you're harmonic traders, what can you do? Can you give me some, interactions? Yeah, feel free to reply from the Zoom's chat. You can chat with me anytime. You can put your questions here, right? Hello? Hello? Okay, George says, short it, risk point D, wait price action for short. All right, good. Yep. So I'm thinking, although the ABCD completes, right? It doesn't mean that we want to short right now, okay? Because the price is still bullish, looks bullish, and we have to find some price actions before we really take the short. Right? So what's the price action? But we have to alert ourselves that be careful. The gold is going to fall anytime because the ABCD complete. The buyers has already finished their job, right? And look left, right? There are some things. There are some supplying zone, or we call institutional order zone here, and there's a very important critical resistance here, 1356.74. Let's go to 1 hour chart and looks more precisely. Wow, it's here. Okay, if we zoom into this 2018 February 16th chart here, we can find that previously the gold is having a very strong support from 1356.74 to 1357.42. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles are sitting above. So this is a previous supporting zone, right? And the price moves down, retested, becomes seller's control, and then moves away. Okay, and for all the 500 pips, okay, from 1356 to 1305. Okay, so with this in mind, and let's check. All right, looks like still have some distance, right? Still have like $2 distance to this zone, although the ABCD complete. Okay, and let's go for another dimensions, which we take the measure of this leg. Okay, from this leg, from swing low to high and draw back to the initial point. Okay, the 1.414 area is at 1355.96. Okay, cool. Wow, a lot of confluence. Do you think? Is it? Do you think there is a lot of confluence zone? Okay, the 1.414 extension here from this leg, and from this ABCD move is already completed at 1354, and there's a very strong resistance area here. Okay, what else? Okay, we have this Fibonacci retracement. Okay, touch the 0.886, 1354.90 exactly. Okay, so yes, there is harmonic patterns. That's why I want to have this webinar. Okay, because the gold is very harmonic. It's very harmonic, I can tell you. It looks, look the last time how the bullish pattern works, right? This is a beautiful patterns here. Okay, this is a beautiful patterns here, right? It works nicely. And now the bearish pattern occurred with a combination, okay, and a lot of confluence. So just be careful that the gold may not stop the bullish until it really touched this structure. We still give this structure a little, still have some space here. Okay, so I marked it here. And also the 1.414 extension hasn't complete. Okay, and also because this is a 4-hour chart, the price do have some momentum, right? Momentum. Now the momentum looks strong, right? But we have to be careful that don't buy into this area, right? If you chase the price, you are getting a very expensive price of the gold, right? And your stop loss is so big, and your risk reward ratio is not good at all. Yeah. And another thing we can do is we can go to smaller time frame. Say, for example, go to 30-minute charts. Okay, so 30-minute charts, this is the first touch of the 0.86 and it's first touch of the ABCD. And now the time is 10 a.m. 20 minutes in the New York time. The New York session just starts, so we don't know what is going to happen in the afternoon or in the midnight. We don't know. Okay, but my suggestion is when you see the strong move like this, okay, just be careful. Don't chase high, all right? Because if you force yourself to buy this at this price, what if the price have a pullback, right? And instantly you are losing money because you are getting a very high price. See, the price is going down. Okay, so first of all, I want to highlight to you guys, no matter what happened, okay, no matter how the price goes or fly away, you know, too much or so deep or so fast, okay? Don't chase price, don't buy high, okay? If you want to buy the low. Do you agree? Right? Okay, raise your hand. Who wants to buy at this level? 1354. Do you want to buy? Right? I won't say if you buy, you won't make money or you're always losing money. No. In fact, a lot of the time you may make money because the trend is really strong and you join the trend. If the trend continues to go up, there is some room for the gold to go up to 1355 or 1357. But the thing is, where's your stop? Are you going to stop here or here or here or here? All right. The risk-reward ratio is definitely not here because the gold has already rallied for, you know, $7 in a day, okay? Since the last 1 hour, okay? 9 a.m. now is $7 already. Basically, you are getting 70 pips higher than everyone that purchased before you, okay? So don't chase high, okay? You want to buy, wait for the price pullback at least to 1350 and buy. Okay, now we want to find something important to short. Why? Because the harmonic patterns, ABCD move, and also the structure has already complete. Okay, let's go to 5 minutes chart to see what we can do. Okay, 5 minutes chart still, one-way market. Billiard King, raise hand. Okay, how can I help you? Yeah, I saw some people raise hand. You can, yeah, just type your question here in the chatting box. Okay, so what I suggest is we watch this area, and at least we go to 5 minutes charts. We want to see this kind of thing happen. Okay, we want to see the double top to form at least in 5 minutes. Okay, so if you see this kind of phenomenon, okay, you can always find a double top in 5 minutes and pull back to 618. Trade this 2618 trade. Okay, find these bearish patterns first. Okay, is that Libra? No, not Libra, but I will say that the ABCD move is complete here. Most likely the gold will stop the rally here because for every single sense it's chasing, it just creates more risk, right? Don't forget, there's a lot of people are trapped here last time. Don't forget, right? A lot of buyers. You see, the buyers still keep buying, right? Chasing and until boom, it hits this previous neckline here, right? And then all the buyers bought from 1356 above is trapped, right? And now they are finally, close to unwind. They are losing positions. Guess what they can do? Yeah, definitely they want to leave, right? So don't buy into this zone. You know that the reward is very, very limited. Okay. Yeah, find some patterns. Okay, I don't know whether we can see this. All right, this is a 5 minutes chart. Kind of inside the bar breaking down. You can see here, right? It's sort of inside the bar, very, very close. Okay, although the second bar is a little bit higher than the first one, but this does sounds like inside bar to me. Looks like. Okay, so if you want to take a short and put your stop loss, above 1355.40, you're just taking this risk of maybe $1.5. You can do it. Okay, this is based on price action. Okay, inside bar breakdown. Right, you get it? If you want to trade, just trade it now. Okay, before you see the price, All right, this is power of education, guys. If you have ever watched my video in YouTube, okay, I have shared this inside bar strategies. Okay, just here, just go to my channel, the Projack. You can go to my videos. Okay, and here there's an inside bar. Okay, here, this is a link. Here, this is a link. I teach how to trade inside the bar. If you know or if you understand what is inside the bar strategy, you will be, benefit like this. Okay, mother bar, inside the bar, breakdown, new short. Okay, boom, wow, cool. Okay, for inside the bar trade, you can take profit here because you can take half already because this is already a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio hit. Okay, boom. Okay, just as what I said. See here, 1-to-1. Anyone makes money? Oh, Lois Young, hello. Wow, it's great to meet you here. Okay, wow, I think very lucky for us. Okay, our live inside bar breaking out trade. Okay, just 1-to-1. Okay, it's good to take half profit and make rest. Break even. Stop loss. Okay. Yep, that could be a bear trap, but I mean, we already make money, right? I will see this a bull trap, because as what I see that a lot of times, okay, guys, just remember, a lot of times the price may reverse, okay, when ABCD pattern occurred, right? A lot of times the price may reverse when ABCD pattern complete, okay? And that's why we want to be very, very, vigilant, okay, to see the price action here by looking into smaller time frames or lower time frames by using multiple time frame analysis, okay, to catch the very, very, accurate signals to short, okay? And if you know what is inside bar, instantly you just win maybe $1.50, okay, which is 15 pips. If you trade one lot, that is $150, all right? And it's recommended to, take profit when it hits 1-to-1 and put stop loss to break even. We don't know whether the price continue to fall or, just flies up again. So it's very important for us to protect our profits. All right, okay. Still remember my last join, okay? This is just the first, the first top, okay? By inside bar breaking down, this is the first top, all right? Good. At least we have a pivot point here, okay? This will be the pivot point here, which is 1352.37. Now, for those who haven't taken the short, okay? Stay calm, okay? Stay in calm. The price may, rally at any time, okay? So let's be prepared that the price may have a retest of this area, okay? And then it goes down again and make a lower low, right? This is what we want to see, okay? We want to see the price, or we want to see the bullish buyers, okay? 1 try, 2 try, but cannot break new high and then failed, okay, by breaking a new low. Okay, when you see this kind of thing happen, you know that the bulls is losing control. And then you use Fibonacci retracement, okay, find the 618 area to take the killing short, okay? And that will give a very, very good reward. Yes, some people say gold will go high further, maybe, okay? But we are just talking about a strategy, okay? Don't think, don't guess, okay? If you think it go high further, then my question is, what are you going to do? Are you going to buy? Okay, because for all the past 20 minutes, I'm explaining to you that we don't want to buy here because the gold is going to resistance, right? We don't want to chase the price, okay? If you think gold is going up, okay, find your entry, go buy or set a stop loss or where's your target, okay? Find your risk reward ratio, examine it, whether the RR ratio is above 2 to 1, okay, or 3 to 1. All right, guess is useless because you only guess, you don't trade, you don't pull the trigger with a proper plan. That is not called professional trading. Okay, you're just like going to the casinos, right? You think it is big or you think it is small. Okay, so right, as I said, the gold, right? Second time, the bulls already tried the second time. Let's see whether it can break new high or not. If can break new high, just means the bullish trend continues, and that's great, right? Our inside bar, okay, we take half of the position, we take half of the profit, and we sell break even stop loss. By the way, has been break even, right? No loss. Okay, we win this. At least we win this 20 pips, right? So just be prepared for this scenario to happen, right? If break new high, then this setup is no valid. But we don't trade, we won't trade if the double top is not complete. Okay, we only trade when gold breaks down 1352 first. Okay, breaks down this area first. Have to break this neckline first, then pull back in the short. Right? Okay, cool. So just give gold another maybe 20 minutes. Let's just observe it again. All right. By the way, just remember what I said. Okay, it's gold is going to, test the 1356.74 to 1360.10. That's in a forward chart view. It may test this area, okay, but doesn't mean that you can chase high. Okay, don't chase high. Find some patterns to short with a proper stop loss. Will be a very, very high risk reward ratio trade. Okay, better are for buyers. Okay, if the buyers are smart enough to take the trade from this area, I will be, agree that yes, it's good to buy from 1352 because this is a strong engulfing candle in 5 minutes, all right? And the price retest this. Okay, buyers comes in, those unfilled orders, comes in here, and stop loss will be, just below 1351.72, and it just hit 122 maybe. So buyers should be taking profit now and close half and let the other half run if the buyers are very, very accurate to getting this price. Okay. Otherwise, for people who are buying at this area, I won't say it's wise. Okay, because you don't know that whether the one try or two try, especially for the two try, a lot of times two try will fail. Okay. Okay, see here, now the two try looks like didn't break new high, right? So just watch, let's just watch, right? See what our plan will, complete or not. We want to see this kind of two try but fail, break new low and retest and short, okay? If this candle breaks new high, then the whole setup just be, invalid. And we just need to watch and wait. All right. So this is for the gold. Okay, let's talk about euro. Right, the euro dollar today, I published a chart to shorting the euro dollar when the price is at this triangle, and I said the stop loss should be above 1.2395. I give another 10 pips to above 1.24 even handle, which is 1.2405, and we have to respect the market, right? The market just, breaks up this triangle and hit the stop loss, right? So we have to take the stop loss, right? It actually stopped me here at this second last candle here, right? So just take the stop loss, right? Take the risk, okay? But we want to limit the risk. You don't want to, still holding your trades. Okay, you don't want to hold it, because if you hold, you are losing another 40 pips. That's not correct. That's not the right thing. Okay, so for the euro dollar will be quite similar of the DXY. It looks like the long-term bearish channel, this resistance has been broken, so the price may still goes up, and it's likely to complete this ABCD pattern as well. Okay, at least it may retest. I think the euro is going to retest this area of maybe 1.2530, and 1.2530 will be a very, very good place to watch, because this is by definition, okay, an inside bar breaking down, right, and whereby most of those unfilled selling orders are stacked there. Okay, do you understand what is stacking orders? Okay, just imagine a lot of trades, okay? People are taking buy or selling decisions at this area, right? There are people who are still buying in the first candle. There are people who are selling in the second candle. And the third candle is boom, just crashed. It tells you a lot of people are selling. More people are selling here. They cannot wait to sell lower because it is the best place for them to sell, okay? And there are a lot of institutional orders still there, unfilled, okay, waiting for the price to go there and, flip. All right, so right now what we can do is, okay, if you want to buy the euro, I would say yes. Now, if the price pull back to 1.24 area, it's good to buy, okay, to this place, okay, because this is a breakout and structure breaking out and pullback trade, right? And you can aim for 1.2527 or 30. I will be very, very interesting to short euro here, 1.2527, together with ABCD patterns and a very strong supplying zone by showing the inside bar breaking down. Okay, so just remember my words. Okay, short term euro is going up. Short term is going up, but be careful when the euro goes to 1.2530. Okay, something may happen here. Okay. Okay, good. If you understand, give me some response by replying by 9. Okay. Yep. Thanks, Josh. You're very fast. Yeah. For traders, we have to be fast. Okay, we have to, to catch the market's movement. Sell or buy? This question, no, it's very simple. When the price pulls back to 1.24, you buy. Okay, when price pull back to here, you want to buy. Okay, buy the low, sell the high. Right? Simple as that. Okay, I put the arrow for you. Thank you guys for those who type 9, okay, who interact with me. For those who didn't reply even 9, I will kick you out. All right, I will just remove you. Okay, because I saw 73 people here, right? So expecting 72, 9. 72, nice, right? If you just, coming to my webinar for fun, right? And just listen like you are thinking that this is a talk show or what, right? If you're not follow my instructions, if you're not follow my logic, right? Why should you waste your time here? All right. Okay, good. Thanks. I just want to keep you to wake up, all right? Okay, so this is a very, very, very clear view. Okay, euro goes up, breaking the 1.24 level. We want to buy. Okay, we want to buy the pull back, okay, pull back to 1.2400 or 1.2410, we want to buy, and then you can aim to 1.2530, and when the price reach here, based on ABCD pattern, based on the very important structure we want to short by risking another maybe just 20 pips and see whether we can catch a very, very nice reversal. All right, okay, let's go for sterling. Sterling, right, it's good, right, it's good. You know, looks how beautiful this 0.618 trade is. Okay, price breaking this double bottoms, right? This is double bottom. Okay, if you know my strategy, you will actually take out this trade. Okay, okay, this is a double bottoms, right? The neckline is here. Neckline is here. Price goes up and pulls back, okay, to 0.618 area, to the same structure zone, right? 1.3794. And what did I teach you guys? What's this? Tell me, what's this? Yes, inside bar, right? The mother bar is here. This is the mother bar. This is the inside bar. This is the third inside bar. So tell me, when you next time when you see this kind of candlesticks, right, sitting in a very, very good strong support 0.618 plus the neckline, okay, and you see this inside bar breaking out, what should you do? Do you dare to take the buy from 1.3808? 1.3808 and stop loss 1.3780. It's just 28 stop loss, right? 28 pips stop loss. So we have to learn from the history. Okay, see, this will be your risk. It's only 20 pips. Your target is easily to go to 1.3862 and boom, okay? Hit 1 to 2, take some profit and let the rest run, and it never comes back, never hits your stop loss break even, and then you enjoy the whole uptrend until now. Is it amazing? Is it amazing? This simple but effective inside bar plus structure plus 618 trade. I will call this a 5A trade. Yes, this is indeed a 5A trade, best quality. Okay, so we don't know beforehand which inside bar or which patterns can give us the best reward. We don't know, but we just simply trade them. Okay, trade with your rules, with your preset rules. Okay, so this is a very, very good example for sterling dollar. Okay, just remember me, remember these patterns. Okay, you have to remember these patterns, right? First, okay, double bottoms, neckline, okay, break out plus pullback. This is the first reason you want to buy. Second, 0.618 level. 3, price action shows inside bar, and not only one but 2, right? Inside bar of inside bar. Okay, inside bar times 2. Okay, with a bullish break up. So that's why this trade is super good. Okay, 3 reasons for one trade in one place. Okay, and your preset rule is for inside bar is, okay, it's very good to 1-to-1, okay, reduce some or take some profit, maybe take half or take 1/3, okay, depending on you. I would say just put it in simple, take half, okay? 1 to 2, you can take all, or take another half. Take another half of the half, okay? And then just hold for long. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and above, hold for long. Okay, very simple. Every time, trust me, every time just do the same thing over and over again. Just trust me. Every time if you do the same thing over and over again, the result will take care of yourself, because you know that every time for $1 you're risking, you're expecting a $2 or $1 return at least. And if your successful rate is above 50%, definitely you're going to be a winner. Okay, you don't need to be 60% accurate or 70% accurate or even be 90% accurate. No need. Just be a normal people. Okay, half, right? Half of my trades losing, half my trades winning, but the important issue is when I lose, I only lose small money. When I win big money. That's the key point of profitable trader. Okay, I have written these rules to you very clearly. Okay, so continue of this sterling trade. Okay, this is a very, very good example of a 618 plus structure plus inside bar, right? And you can, guys, here, this is another beautiful place for you to catch the uptrend. You see here, one wave, second wave goes up, break new high, pulls back, right? Pulls back to the same place. Okay, your stop loss be easily set below the bullish candle here. You just buy from 1.39 to 1.320, just buy here, and then you have, boom, okay, another 100 pips. Sorry, 300 pips, okay? Easy. And this, you don't need any inside bar. You just simply by using structure, breakout and pullback. Do you agree? You have to trust the structure. Very, very, very good example of structure. Resistance, resistance, breaking out, pulling back, sitting right on this structure, buy it, stop below the bullish candle, okay? And it just flies, right? Right? Okay, good. So let me finish my view of sterling, right? I'm looking for sterling of this area because remember this Thursday we have sterling's, we have UK's GDP, and we don't know what is going to happen for the data, but I do know that if the price keeps going up before the data release, unless the data is super good, okay, super outperforming, otherwise it will most likely for this GBP will be a 4. And pay attention to this area. Okay, it will be same zone of the euro dollar. Okay, so pay attention to this place. If the sterling goes up to 1.24250 or 1.4273, watch the price action. If there's a pin bar or inside bar occurred in this area, you know that it's okay to sell. Because, answer me, selling here or selling, are you okay to selling here? Okay, let me call this selling at A. Or you want to selling here. Which one you prefer? Yeah. Nice. Give me your answer. Great. Selling A, right? But do you expect that this selling A is always right? Do you expect a 100% winning ratio every time when you sell at A? Or should you expect yourself of this market should give you money when you do this A selling plan? If 6 out of 10 you win, the other 4 you lose, is it okay? Is it okay? Yeah, it is okay, right? Because every time we're setting this here, we're just risking, this much, but we are expecting at least, 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, right? If I win 5 and I lose 5, every time I lose $1, I lose $5, and the other 5 times I win 3 times, I win $3, which tells me that, okay, I have $15 minus 5, which I win $10 in total, okay? Yes. Number 1 is high probability because our entry is good. Number 2 is our risk reward ratio is good. Number 3 is good execution. Okay, you have to execute the plan. Make sure you can take you can hold your trade until here. Hold to it 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Okay, you don't just anyhow clear your orders by just making a few pips. Okay, and another confirmation is, guys, another confirmation I want to highlight to you is we have to wait for the GBP to break, okay, to break this channel. Okay, it's best for the GBP to break down this channel before you take the short. That would be better. Okay, it's still in a bullish channel. It's best for the price to move out of this channel, breaking the lower edge, all right, and retest and set it. That's the best. Okay, all right, let's go to oil. Okay, oil. Wow, this week I can call this a super ABCD week. So many ABCDs, right? Wow, 66. Structure here. Nice. Can we take a short from 66? The bulls has already completed the target, 66, with the structure, okay? And with the engulfing candle. Makes sense or not? Right, so just pay attention for these setups, right? Oil, same thing, right? If the price cannot break 67 or 66.60, if the price cannot make a higher high, we want to sell, okay? And at least you are aiming for 64, 1.4, and the second target will be 62.60, right? Sell the high, ABCD complete, another Gardy patterns, okay? Gardy patterns. Right? Same thing. Okay, Aussie dollar. Right, Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar is, I think, is the weakest in the major pairs, right? And here it is an important structure of Aussie, 0.7770, right? So just watch the resistance here and watch the support here, okay? I think Aussie dollar this week, not much movement, okay? It's ranging, okay? It's ranging. So you can buy low or sell high by putting your stop loss the other side. Any questions for Aussie? Any questions? Good. Yeah. So I won't recommend to trade Aussie this week because it's boring. It's boring. It's really boring because the Aussie moves slow. Okay, it moves very slow, right? And the range is very small as well. Okay. I wouldn't. Yeah, because the range is small and it moves slow, so you won't getting good profit. There's no directions, no trend. ABCD. Okay, maybe there is, but not complete yet. Maybe there is. Okay, if you measure by this way. Yep, not yet touched. Sterling yen. Okay, I think sterling yen is good to short because of these reasons, right? Okay, we check the weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart. You can see here. All right. 156 is very strong resistance from last time here. Okay, this is a very strong resistance. That's the things the pre-exit. Okay, the pre-exit moves the pairs, 2,000 pips, and the price pulling back here, and then make engulfing candles and make a drop-based drop. Okay, this is a drop-based drop, which tells you a trend continuation is occurred. Right, and we go to daily chart. We also found out that there is an important structure has been violated, which is 150. Okay, previously the price cannot, close below of this area. We can look left, right? Support, 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 support still, and then goes down, and then pulls back, and then goes down again. And now the price is in this kind of a channel. So this channel is telling you that although it is rising, right? Although it is rising, but it could be a correction channel for the whole down move here. And I would expect that this may be a reason for us to short, because we do see a very, very good potential move. And last week, there is an engulfing candle that is breaking down, and today it's very strange. Is one day movement, the sterling yen moves up almost 160 pips. How far do you think it can go? Guys, how far do you think it can go? Right, it has already exhausted the energy, right? Because every day the pairs have some limitation of the range movement. Okay, we call this ATR. Right? Let's check the ATR, the average true range. Okay, let's say the last 7 days. Okay, so in the last 7 days, average the pound yen moves about 1.5399. That is 154 pips, right? Every for the past whole week, this is the range. We are not talking about this range, okay? But for the last from the whole month, right? From March, it is always this level. So one day, it tells you that one day the movement is about 150 pips, and let's measure how much it moved today. We just measure from here to here, 172 pips. Oh my God. Right? So what do you think? Do you think it can still go, another 100 pips by one day? I don't think so. Right? In money, really, the market, if the market goes up or goes down, it needs money to push in or flow out. Where can it be when there's no news happen and the pound yen just rally for 170 pips without any look pulling back? So the price just keeps going up, right? All right, so from the ATR, we know that it is hard for sterling yen to go up anymore. Okay, and another reason I have already published in TradingView is the extension has reached 1.272 and 1.414, and very importantly, there is a very nice structure here, 149.60. That's why I want to short here. Okay, my stop loss will be above the 1.618 extension. I put maybe 149.92. Right, I'm risking about 50 pips, but in exchange of maybe 100 pips or 200 pips, I don't know. I would just, all right, I think my conservative target would be 148.76. Okay, my conservative target will be here. This is my first target, and that would be my second target. All right, if we are lucky enough, we can catch a pivot of the weekly chart. Wow, that's very good. So if you know my trading style, you will know that Jack is not giving you guys a lousy place to trade any time. Okay, every time we will give you guys a good trading plan with a good entry and with a strong reason. If that reason was valid, it just tells you the market is, goes against it, and we should just rest. We should just take the stop loss by not risking too much of our principles. All right? Yeah, you don't need to believe in me, but you can watch the market later on. Okay? Because obviously I have a track record in trading view, right? If you know me by here, sorry, I shouldn't be using the Chinese version. I should be using the English version. Okay, I have published 16,000 ideas in TradingView. Okay, and I can tell you that every time I'm using this philosophy. Okay, every time my plan is high risk reward ratio with a certain of the probabilities, maybe 60%. I won't say that I'm very, very accurate. Out of 100 trades, maybe only 60 are correct, or the other 40 are losing money. But doesn't matter, right? It really doesn't matter. If you look at my gold, if you look at my analysis in gold, okay, you just think, just by looking at this, you will know that okay. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, 1360. I say sell, right? Guys, tell me, do you think it is similar patterns? Price rising from low to high to the structure, right? Triangle, right? Some bearish setups, right? I'm only risking this much, but I'm expecting this much. Every time, every trade, yes. That is my style. So it's up to you to, to trade in my way, because I can tell you that from all my past 10 years experience, this works the best. I know some of the traders may use some other indicators like moving averages or, Bollinger Bands or Ichimoku or Elliott Waves, right? Doesn't matter. For every trading system, just trust me, okay? For every trading system, you just need to count two things, okay? Two things, very simple, very, very simple, okay? The first thing is you need to measure the probability of the trading system, okay? The winning ratio, okay? To be honest, okay, a 50% winning ratio is very good already. Okay, winning ratio above 50% or 50 to 60 or 60 to 70, that's very good already. Second, you need to pay very, very much attention to risk to reward ratio, and that's the key. Okay, I will suggest 1 to 2 and above. Okay, every time you want to buy or you want to sell something, ask yourself, what is my winning probabilities? Half or 10% or 20%, right? If too low, basically means that you're getting very, very lousy entry price. You're either buying high or selling too low, right? Second, ask yourself, where's your risk and reward ratio? Okay, if you can do these two things every time of your trade, I guarantee you a big success in trading, no matter what are you trading. Forex, futures, stocks, or options, or even, cryptocurrencies. By the way, cryptocurrencies. How many of you trade crypto? How many of you? Anyone trade BTC? Bitcoin? Anyone? Okay. tough to short. All right. Yes, I mean, if you see my charts in Bitcoin, right, I have already alerted you guys that when price goes to 1,000, 18,000, I said don't buy, right? I say don't buy. If you want to buy at least a 0.618% retracement, right? At least maybe from here, okay? If you want to buy at least 8453, okay? All right, and I said we can short, right? Why we want to short? Because this is a rising channel, broken, right? Boom, right? Just hit the targets and even lower. Okay, so it actually already proved. You check for ETC, RTC. Even this kind of ETC, BTC. A lot of people, like this. When I published this idea, a lot of people just questioning, why? You gotta be kidding me, you're using harmonic patterns, right? You can see all the funny comments comes in. Oops, where's my internet? Yeah, some lag, I know, no problems. Maybe because our conference is too crowded, right? Okay, yeah. Yep. See here, simple ABCD patterns, right? And I said, yes, short, okay? My target is here. And those, kind of all the kind of funny comments here, right? People try to time market too much, blah, 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 okay? Analyzing chart pattern doesn't well in FOMO, okay? You're wrong, man. It's very clear the next target will be above $50 without considering an airdrop. I personally expect 80 to 90 US dollar. I don't know what happened to you guys. I don't know what happened to you, bro. Where's your money, right? You believe that it's going to 80 or 90, and you just suffer a loss, right? Okay, the beautiful things of our trading system or my trading system is I just simply trade what I see. Okay, I don't make nonsense. I don't guess. Okay, I see the ABCD patterns. I know it. 60% of the time it's going to work, and it will give me a very, very good reward. That's all. So, do you understand my logic or not? All right, I think it is a bit long for this webinar because it's already been almost 1 hour. But I really hope that you guys get some tips from me, okay? Check every time. Do you have a reliable reason for you to buy or for you to sell? Or do you just simply by hearing other people say and you just buy and sell? Do you have your own trading plan or you don't? Okay, if you don't have a trading plan, if you don't have a very good resource of signals or trading plan generator, okay, stop wasting money in this market because trading is a game. Okay, I will write here, guys, remember my words, okay? Trading is a game that, okay, transfer the money to the people, okay, who are more educated or more professional from those who don't. That's trading. Okay, you have to understand this. This is reality. Okay, transfer the money to the people who are more educated or more professional, okay, from those who don't. Because if you don't have a plan, right, you are buying high or selling low. Ask yourself, who are those against you? Who are you buying from? Who are you selling to when you are selling low? Yes, you are selling to those people who are buying low, right? If you are chasing price like this, if you see, price ready, okay, ready, okay, I want to buy, okay, congratulations. You just bought those goods from the people, right? You bought from here who are selling to you. Yes, people are buying before you, right? People buying from here, they want to sell here, they want to take profit, and you go in to buy, and you transfer your money to their pocket. Understand? That is how simple the trading is. Yes, bigger fool theory. Okay, because no people will admit that, oh yeah, I'm full, right? I want to be the fool. I want to be the fool. I can still buy, boom, okay, you are the fool. Sometimes the market will give you the chance to recover your loss. But what if it never gives you the chance? It's just, doing this. What can you do? So stop making this chasing high or chasing low. That's number one. Number two, don't trade without a plan. Number three, don't overtrade. You don't think every second you can find a good trade. No. Professional traders doesn't, trade any second, any time. They wait. Because there are a lot of prices only for those people who don't trade properly. Okay? All right. Okay, let's go to gold. I think this is our last idea. All right, price has already, break up new high, right? So this double top plan, right, no longer valid, but we don't lose any money, right? Yeah, we don't. And that's a very good lesson for here, right? If you understand what is structure, breaking out, pulls back, break new high, goes back to same place, can you buy from here and stop loss below this extraordinary bullish bar? Yes, you can. All right, so in 5 minutes chart, the gold is still bullish, right? Continue to make a new higher high. So don't short, okay? I would suggest you guys still waiting at 1356, okay? Waiting this level. Wait for this level. All right? Wait for this level. All right? And see the price action here. Okay. Canadian dollar, right? Breaks new high last week, pulling back to the same area. I will think probably it looks to me this breakout for this double bottom is not so so explosive. So I will plan to buy the dollar Canadian with a Fibonacci level of at least 3.2 or 618 to consider to buy. Right now it is sideways, okay, sideways. So not a trading plan for me, but I will wait for the price. I will choose to observe the market first before I make the trade. Okay, but I will watch this 1.2721 and 1.2473, these two areas, to look for a buy. I want to take a short because from the location wise, it is not in a high location. I will only consider to short dollar CAD from 1.36. Okay, I will short only from here. I won't short from here. I want to buy low, and I believe that there may be another wave of going up. Okay, yes, probably there's a bad pattern. You are right, Ganesh. You're right. Yes. Yeah, I'm happy to see my students, growing up very well. Yeah, Ganesh. Yes, really proud of you. Okay. S&P. All right, S&P, interesting. Okay, that is a crash. Okay, and this is a supporting area from 2005 and 80. Okay, big supply zone comes from here, 2008. The price just moved down another time. Okay, so what should we do is we want to focus on selling high. Sell high, okay? Sell high, don't buy. Don't buy here because this has already been tested once, tested twice. Not many fresh buying orders remain here. Not many, okay? Not many. So be careful that the S&P may, break this 2560. But the best selling opportunities will come at 2,700. Just remember, okay? This is the best selling zone. Please look at the oil, okay? Wow, oil breaks down nicely, right? So for people who sell from 66 or 65.72 now makes good money. Power of ABCD patterns. Okay. BTC USD potential bet. Are you talking about this? Are you talking about this? Yeah, I'm thinking, or maybe a bigger one. Maybe there's a bigger one. I don't know which one you're talking about. All right, but for me, I'm thinking that the Bitcoin, right? From the last rally, okay, I'm a little bit concerned about this lower highs. Okay, the price although can rally, but you can see here from the 12,000 level, it just keeps producing new lows and lower highs. So if the price really breaks down this 8,000 level, sorry, 7,006 level, if the price breaks this level, okay, it may continue to go down, right? That's my only concern. Okay, it goes to 4-hour chart. I can see there is some good buyers from here, at least from 7,006 level, or this, you can put this neckline here. So if the BTC above 7,800 is okay, it's okay, still can buy. All right. Okay, so I think I'm going to find a place to publish some of my workshop or PowerPoints. No. Yeah, I think it's here. Right, this is 2-hour building your trading system, secret of trading full course. Okay, 2-hour seminars. Right, and also my just you can go to my YouTube channel to watch. Right, and this is my official website. You can go to harmonicasia.com. Okay, you'll find out my trading systems there. Yeah. Okay, and you can join my Facebook group as well. I will tell you guys when I'm going to have a webinar. And for my students, please remain, discuss in my group. All right, that's all for today. That's all for today. Okay. Thank you guys for coming. I hope you all enjoy it, right? And plan your trade and trade your plan. And remember those key levels that I put for you guys for gold, for euro, for sterling yen, for Aussie, for dollar CAD, for oil, for Bitcoin, for S&P. All right, I have already given you many clues. Good luck. You don't want to sleep, but keep listening. All right, don't forget to join my, join my course here, right? Because I can solve your problems, right? Market is always against me. I don't understand the market. I don't have a plan. My entry price is very lousy. Trading is difficult, right? How to trade news, I don't know. Trade professional, I don't know. How to enhance your trading skills, don't know. How to build a profitable trading system, wow, it's too difficult, right? This is one total solution for you guys, right? Available online now. You can study my course online and join my students group. All right. Okay, very nice setups. All my trading secrets is here. All right, take a look and decide whether you want to join my students club. All right, see you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.